guys, this is Fatma from Tech Engage and you're watching our how-to guides. Today we are going to do a tutorial on how to make a bootable USB. First thing you have to do is head over to Google homepage and type Rufus on the search bar. Here you'll see the list of Google results, which all you have to do is click on the first link. Here you'll see the official site, which all you have to do is scroll down the page and download the latest version of Rufus. Here it is shown as Rufus 3.4 and wait for a while to download. Once the download is complete, open Rufus. So this is how it looks like. Set the parameters as you can see on screen. From here, you need to select the ISO file of the operating system that you want to put on your bootable USB. You can use any operating system. Here I'm using Windows 10 for this tutorial. Make sure Check Device for Bad Blocks is not ticked. After it's done, you click on Start and the process will begin. Once the process is done, you are ready to use the bootable USB with Windows 10. You can also use Universal USB Installer. First, you open USB Installer icon on your desktop. You can see there is a list of operating systems. All you have to do is select a suitable Linux distribution. Here I am choosing Ubuntu. From here, you need to select the ISO file of the operating system that you want to put on your bootable USB. Make sure you tick on Format Drive. A message will appear on the screen and all you have to do is click on Yes. The process begins and wait for a minute to finish. Once it's done, you go to this PC and double-click on the drive you've set up earlier. Here it's WI. You will see all your documents. The next step is you go to Google homepage and search Download Media Creation. Then open the official site and download the tool. Make sure your Windows 10 must be licensed to install media creation. After that, you set up your Windows 10 by accepting the terms and conditions. There are two options on the screen, which all you have to do is click on Create Installation Media for another PC. Then set the language, edition and architecture and tick on Use the recommended options for this PC. Then choose which media to use. The folder will appear on your screen, name it as you like, and save it onto your desktop. Then your Windows is ready to download. If you like the video, click on subscribe and hit the bell icon.